Welcome to All Auto Parts Group channel, your trusted partner for automotive solutions. This video answers to all of the car enthusiasts to why choose a used transmission over a new one. You know, when your ride starts acting up and it feels like your transmission is just about to give up the ghost, you might think you're staring down a massive repair bill. But hold up, I've got some news that might just make your day and your wallet a lot happier. Let's talk about why choosing a used transmission from All Auto Parts Group isn't just a wallet-friendly option, but it's also a pat on the back for Mother Earth. First off, cost. We're talking significant savings here. Used transmissions? They're the underdogs of auto parts. Less expensive, but hey, they get the job done without breaking the bank. And at All Auto Parts Group, we're not just throwing any old part at you. Every transmission is tested and inspected rigorously. That means you're getting a champ, not a chump. And while we're on the topic of quality, let's talk sustainability. Choosing used is a vote for the environment. Less waste, less manufacturing, more planet saving, all right? It's like you're rescuing these transmissions from an untimely fate and giving them a new lease on life. Talk about being a hero. Now let's not forget about selection and availability. Whether you're cruising in a Toyota, Ford, Honda, or Nissan, we've got something that'll fit perfectly. Our inventory? Huge. And because we know you can't wait to get back on the road, we've made it super easy to browse and buy right from our e-commerce platform. Quick, simple, and you're out the door or online checkout with the part you need in no time. But why us, you ask? Apart from our badass selection of quality parts, All Auto Parts Group offers you peace of mind with competitive prices and solid warranty options. Yeah, you heard that right. And if something goes south, our expert team is just a call away. We've got your back, ensuring that you're not just satisfied, but delighted with your purchase. So if you're ready to save some green and keep your car in tip-top shape, just hop onto our website or give our customer service team a shout. It's easy, it's efficient, and hey, it's the smart way to get your car running smooth again. And remember, when you choose All Auto Parts Group, you're not just fixing your car. You're making a choice that's good for your wallet, your vehicle, and the planet. So what are you waiting for? Let's get those gears turning. For more details, hit up our website ALLAUTOPARTS.world or call our hotline +1 865-505-0345. Trust us. Trust All Auto Parts Group, where we treat every customer like family and every car like it's our own. See you on the road, folks. And do not forget to like and subscribe our channel to follow our informative videos for your car needs. Until next time.